Dear friends, first, open PowerPoint, search for a certificate template you like, and click Create. Once opened, make sure you have the CodedSlide panel open on the right. You can find the download link for this add-on in the video description below. Now, replace the default name with double curly braces and type var1 inside. Repeat this for other fields. We will change the description text to var2. Next, update the course name or achievement to var3 to make it dynamic. You can also add new elements. Here, I'm adding a grade text box. Open the Code Editor tab. Here you can see our list of students and their data. The Python script below parses this data and maps it to the variables on your slide. When you are ready, simply click the Run Code button. The tool immediately generates a unique slide for every entry in your data list. It automatically fills in the name, description, date, grade for each person. And you're done! Check the description for the add-on and scripts. Thanks for watching!